at the Hall of Mosses here in the Hoh Rainforest, and I love the angle I'm shooting through the trees here. Really lucky to get some early morning mist on this shot, but it's like a beautiful tunnel looking through here. You can see back down through the trees and into the fog. I spent 2 hours this morning searching for the perfect location, and I love this shot through here. Always make sure your shot's got a leading line into it. You can see going down through those trees and back into the forest. An hour later you have these splotchy, dirty, filthy spots on the camera, and it looks good to the naked eye, but the camera sees things a little bit differently. It's going to be too aggressive and you'll see all these black and white patches. You need that beautiful, even lighting. Just have a look at it out there.